Hello everyone. So here's the next question. Question number 136 for the NEET preparation from the chemistry subject. So what is the question? On which of the following properties does the coagulating power of an ion depend? So basically, here are the options. Option number first, the sign of charge on the ion alone. Second, both magnitude and sign of the charge on the ion. Option number third, sign of the ion alone. Option number fourth, the magnitude of the charge on the ion alone. As we know that the coagulating power of an ion depends on both magnitude and the sign of the charge on the ion. Hence the correct option is the option number second. I will explain it in brief. The ions of the opposite sign of the charge to those present on the surface of the particles cause the precipitation of the particles. Thus, positively charged ions of the electrolyte will coagulate negatively charged particles. Similarly, negatively charged ions of the electrolyte will coagulate positively charged particles. The coagulating power of an electrolyte increases very rapidly with an increase in the valence of anion or cation. So this is the concept of the coagulating power. Hence, the coagulating power of an ion depends on both magnitude and sign of the charge on the ion. So this is the concept that the ions of the opposite sign of the charge to those present on the surface of the particles cause the precipitation of the particles. Okay, so this is the concept. And you have to remember 2 points. The positively charged ions of the electrolyte will coagulate negatively charged particles, and similarly negatively charged particles of the electrolyte will coagulate positively charged particles. So this is the concept of the coagulation. Okay, thank you.